In this video, I'll show you how to assign navigation links to the footer of your website. We'll start by adding the Frequently Asked Questions page to our Policies footer menu, and finish up by adding an About Us page to our Company footer menu. Frequently Asked Questions is a WSM module, so it can be located under Modules, FAQ. And our About Us page can be located under Content, Site Pages. To find our current navigation links, we'll go to Content, Navigation. Now I'll start by sorting the menu group by clicking on the column heading. You can see that we've got several groups here, and the menu groups on your website may be named differently, so we'll need to figure out which group belongs to which footer menu. So going back over to our home page, we can see that we've got Shipping and Returns under the Policies menu. Finding Shipping and Returns here, it's under Footer 2, so that must mean that Footer 2 is our Policies menu. So with that knowledge, I'm ready to add our first navigation link by clicking Add Link in the top right. The first thing that it's going to ask us is what do we want to name this link? So I'll name it FAQ. The link title is what will show up when hovered over with your mouse. Next is priority, which determines the ranking of the link. The higher the priority, the higher up it'll show on your menu group. Next we'll choose our menu group, which I now know is Footer 2. Link target will determine whether or not the link will open in a new browser tab when clicked. Self is the normal behavior, while blank will force the link to open in a new browser tab. Now I'll choose what type of link I want to create. Since we know that the FAQ is a module, I'll select WSM module, which will automatically gray out the remaining choices and only leave me with a list of modules to select, in which I'll select the FAQ. Now I'll save my navigation link and go over to the home page and refresh. To see my new link. Now that our FAQ navigation link is added, I'll show you how to add the About Us page. There are two ways that I can do this. The first is by repeating the same method that I used on adding the FAQ page by simply selecting the page type link. And the second method is by locating the About Us page under Content, Site Pages. And going in to edit the About Us page using the pencil and paper icon. And going down to the menu entry section and choosing the menu group this way. And going over to our home page again and refreshing, we should see the About Us show up under our company submenu.